something?
The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Creek County in northeastern Oklahoma, Fusky County in east central
Literally,
Oklahoma.
3 minutes. 3 minutes.
At 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 2 miles east of Stroud to 2 miles northwest of Chandler, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
This is a radar indicated threat.
The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations near the path include Okima, Okfusky, Boley, Patton, Castle, Welty, Milford, Manson. This includes the following highways. Interstate 40 in Oklahoma between mile markers 215 and 224. Interstate 44 between mile markers 178 and 179. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
I'm not even going to end this video because I know they're just going to issue another one. Hopefully, so I don't have to edit this.
A cold front was located across southeast Kansas with a few
This will be the longest video I've ever made. This is going to be a single video.
This front will be the focus for storm development a little later.
Okay, please be the last video.
In the meantime,
Thank you guys for watching this stream, and I'll see you. Actually, I'm not going to say that. I can just make another video on the outro. Alright. Thanks for watching this part.